Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You open YouTube, sign in, and update the app so settings behave predictably. Next, go straight to Profile Settings History and Privacy. This is where control begins. Clear your watch history to remove past signal, then pause watch history so new watching won't immediately reshape the feed. Once done, make sure your account syncs. On mobile, check network, and on desktop, confirm you're signed in. These steps reset the algorithm. This is the foundation for changing the home screen. Now you refine what appears. Scroll home and actively curate. Long press mobile or click the three dots desktop on videos you don't want. Mark not interested so the algorithm learns. For repeat offenders, choose don't recommend channel. This stops that creator from resurfacing. At the same time, subscribe to channels you want visible and visit topics or explore pages to follow interests. This builds positive signals. Once done, watch a few target videos to reinforce the new preferences. This guides home toward what you actually want. Finish by reinforcing the new profile. Intentionally watch a handful of videos you want on home for 1 or 2 sessions. The algorithm needs fresh, positive signals. If old recommendations persist, clear app cache or browser cookies, then sign out and sign back in to force a refresh. If problems continue, pause history briefly, then unpause and repeat not interested or don't recommend channel actions. This retrains the system. Remember, change takes a few sessions. Be consistent, and the home screen will reflect your choices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.